Hello, I'm Wonnie. Today you're gonna study Korean with this book, Wonnie School 126 book. Okay, if you don't know how to purchase this book, you can check this video to download the PDF file. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so can you check the content page? So there are 4 sections that we are gonna learn today. So the number 1 is 숫자, means the numbers. You remember we already learned numbers and it was about 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? And today we're gonna learn 하나, 둘, 셋, which is the other version of the number. So let's see what is different between them. And second part is about 시간, which means the time. So we're gonna using 2 versions of the numbers for time. Okay, we can check it later. And part 3 is about 뭐부터 뭐까지. So 부터까지 is like from A to B. So 부터 is from, 까지 is to. So A from B to, literally in Korean. Okay, and part 4 is 뭐뭐고, is like and or and then. Alright, let's get started. Can you turn to page 1? It's about vocabularies. Okay, so the first box is about the verbs. I'm gonna read it. 가다, 가다 is to go, right? And 오다 is to come. You already learned these 2 words, Wonnie School 1 to 5 book. Okay, and the next one is 기다리다 is to wait. And 자다 is to sleep. 일어나다 to wake up. And 쉬다 is to take some rest. Okay, and can you see there are 3 words there? 먹다, 씻다, 일하다. You already learned these words and we kept using these words. So I think you already know about these words, but just in case, I'm gonna tell you what does that mean. So 먹다 is to eat and 씻다 is to wash. You can use as take a shower as well. So for hands, 씻다, and take a shower, 씻다. Okay, and 일하다 is to work. Okay, then second box, 몇. You should know what does that mean, 몇. Okay, so 몇 is what, but when you're counting the numbers, like 몇, you can use 몇 with the numbers. You cannot use this one as what are you doing, like that what, right? Okay, 몇 is what, and 시 is time or hours, and 분 is the minutes, 오전 is AM, 오후 is PM. Okay, and 아침, 점심, 저녁, right? So 아침 is morning, 점심 is afternoon, 그다음에 저녁 is evening, like night. Sometimes you can use as night. But we also using these 3 words as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you can use this one with the verb 먹다, which is to eat. So you can use like this. 아침을 먹어요. That means I'm having a dinner. I'm having a breakfast. 점심을 먹어요 is like I'm having a lunch. So you can use like this. And there, last one, 매일 is every day. 월 is month. 일 is the day, like date. Okay, very nice. Can you turn to page 2? So this is the other numbers. I think you already remember the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Okay, so the numbers we are gonna using as a minute and the seconds for the time. So can you check the down there, second box. So I wrote it from 11 to 60 for the minutes. So 11, 12, 13, 11, 12. So 10 plus 1, 1, 11. It's just like that. So it's easy, right? 11 and 12. Can you guess what is 13? Right, 13. So you can just practice with this table, okay? Then let's look at the first box. Okay, it's 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Is it right? And two more because it's time. 열하나, 열둘. It's not that difficult, right? So you can use this number for the time, like an hour. So you can use like this situation. 1 a.m., 6 a.m., 4 p.m. Yeah. But can you see the pink box there? So there are 4 words. It's changed to the other words, right? So the number 1 is 하나, which is 1. But it changed to 한. Can you see that? Yes, it's different. So whenever you are using with this number 1, 2, 3, 4, it has to change like that. 한. And then 둘 is changed to 두. 셋 changed to 세. 넷 goes to 네. So one, like a one is 한, right? But I want to say, what time is it? Oh, it's 1. So it's 1 is 한시, but not 하나시. Okay? And what about 2? It's 2. 두시. Alright. What about? It's 3. 세시. Okay, very nice. 잘했어요. So then let's practice the numbers with this time. So can you turn to page 3? So I'm gonna read the first box. 몇 시예요? So 몇 was what for the time, right? So what? And 시 was the time. So that is, what time is it? 몇 시예요? So I can answer like that. 2시예요. 2시예요. Or 2시 10분이에요. Okay, so the order is same as English. Hour first and then the minutes. 2시 10분, 2:10. Okay, very nice. So can you see the, for example, there? 3:12, right? So we can say 3시 12분. So we have to use 하나, 둘, 셋 for the hour and 1, 2, 3, 4 for the minutes. So 3시 12분. Okay, so there is the idea mark. Can you see that? So 4 questions over there. Let's guess what is the right answer. So the number 1, 5:13. 5시 13분. Is it right? Yes, very nice. And the third one, let's look at the third one, is 12:29. 12, 12. Is it right? 12. Okay. 12시 and 29 is 29분. 12시 29분. Okay, very nice. And number 2 and 4, you're gonna do yourself and you can type on the comments so that I can check it later. Okay, very good. Okay, turn to page 4. Now we are gonna use 오전, 오후, which means AM and PM. Okay, so 오전 is AM, 오후 is PM. Let's check the for example. So AM 9:07. So AM is 오전, 9 is 아홉, and then that is time. So we have to use right 시. 오전 9시 and 7 is 7 and then minute 분. Okay, very nice. So there, 몇 시예요? What time is it? So I can answer like this. 오전 9시 7분이에요. 오전 9시 7분이에요. Alright, so we using 오전, 오후 first and then the time. I don't want you to get confused with this order, so I put AM, PM first on there. Okay, so let's check the idea mark part. So first one is AM 2:58. Wow, That's heavy number, right? Let's check it. So 몇 시예요? Then I can say 오전 first, right? 오전. And then what is 2? Right. 2, not 둘. Is it right? Okay. 2시 and 58. What is 5? Right. 5 and 50 is 50. Is it right? 50. Okay. 50 and 8 is 8. 58분. So the answer is 오전 2시 58분이에요. Okay. Let's check the second one. That is PM. What was PM in Korean? Right. 오후. So 오후 8 is 8. And we need shift for the time. 8시 34분이에요. Right. 34분이에요. So 몇 시예요? 오후 8시 34분이에요. Okay, very nice. And you're gonna do yourself number 3 and 4. Okay. Alright, let's check the next page. It's about 부터까지. So can you see the purple there? So that is like A and B. So 부터까지 means like from A to B. From A to B. But for the time or day of week or the month. And we don't usually this one for the like place. So from my house to school like that. So we don't use this 부터, but the other one like 에 that we learned. Okay. So from A to B is like A from B to. That is the order in Korean. Okay, let's check it. So there, first box, 510 to 5:14, right? 40. So 5시 10분, and then we have to use 부터. And 5시 40분까지, right? That is the complete sentence. 5시 10분부터. So we have to use the time first and then 부터. And the time and then 까지. Okay? That is the order. And next one. 5시 10분부터 5시 40분. The time is same, but there is something else. Like 운동, like exercise, and 하다, to do. So you're gonna make the sentence like a full sentence. 5시 10분부터 5시 40분까지 운동을 해요. So in this case, we need 을. If you don't remember this 을 particle, you have to check Wonnie School book. Okay, and third one is 월요일부터 수요일까지. What was 월요일? Alright, Monday. And 수요일? Okay, Wednesday. Okay, the last one is 1월부터 8월까지. 1월부터 8월까지. So I said 월 is the month. Then 1월 is 1 month. That is January, right? And 8th month. What does that mean? Okay, August. Great. Can you see the idea mark over there? So there are 4 questions. Let's check number 1 and number 3. Okay, so number 1, 3:18 to 6:12. And check the book. 읽다, to read. 3시 18분부터 and okay 6시 12분까지 책을 읽어요. Is it right? 책을 읽어요. Great. Okay, number 3. Oh, there is AM and PM, right? So AM was okay, 오전. So 오전 12시부터 오전 8시까지 잠을 자요. That means I go to bed, like I'm sleeping from 12 to 8 in the morning. Okay. You can try yourself number 2 and 4 and type the right answer on the comment so that I can check it, right? Okay. And let's go to the next page, 6. Go is and or and then. So something happened in this time and the other happened on this time. So different time. So you finish your work on this time and then something happened on this time. So let's check. You can use with the verb. And it doesn't matter if the verb is end in the consonant or vowel. You're gonna just using go, okay? Let's check the first box. 빵을 먹다. So 빵 is the bread. 먹다 is to eat. And 쉬다 is to take some rest, right? So 빵을 먹고 쉬어요. We can just use like this. So just take out the da over there and 먹, and we have to put go, and then 쉬어요. We have to using 어요 but not 아요. And I'm sure that you already know why it's changed to 어요 but not 아요, right? If you don't remember, you have to check the other Wonnie School book, okay? Because I explain it very well over there. Okay, 빵을 먹고 쉬어요. So I had bread 5 p.m. and then I took some rest 6 p.m., right? Okay, we need two verbs. So let's check the idea mark over there. First one, 일을 하다. 일 was the work and 하다 is to do, so to do work. And 집에 가다, to go to home. Okay, so 일을 하고 집에 가요. It's easy, so easy, right? I do work and go to home. 일을 하고 집에 가요. Okay, number 2 is like this. 운동 is the exercise, workout. 하다, to do. 물 is the water. 마시다, right, to drink. Okay, so 운동을 하고, and then 물을 마셔요. Okay, 물을 마셔요. Great. And number 3, that is your homework. Okay, let's turn the page. 7 is practice part. So number 1 and 2 is there. So number 1 is 듣기, right? So listening part. I'm gonna read something and you're gonna listen. What am I talking about? And you're gonna put the correct answer over there, which is the time. So she is the hour, like time, and 분 is the minute, right? So you have to write it down. So number 1, listen carefully. 5시 10분에 집에 가요. Okay, one more time. 5시 10분에 집에 가요. Okay, so did you get the right answer? So the right answer is 5 and 10. 5:10. So I go to home 5:10. So 5, 5시 10, 10분. Okay, so number 2, listen carefully. 10시에 잠을 자요. 10시에 잠을 자요. Okay, what is the right answer? Right, so 10. I go to bed at 10. 10시. So it's gonna be 10 and 0, 0. Okay, 10. Okay, number 3. 7시 17분에 일어나요. 7시 17분에 일어나요. Okay, what is 7시? Right, 7. And 17분 means 17. Okay, 7:17. I wake up 7:17. Alright, very nice. Okay, so the next part is about dictation part. Okay, are you ready to write down the right answer? Okay, so the number 1 is 공부를 하고 도서관에 가요. 오. 공부를 하고 도서관에 가요. Okay, you can pause it while you are writing down and click again. Here is the right answer. 공부를 하고 도서관에 가요. Alright. Number 2 is 점심을 먹고 잠을 자요. Okay, one more time. 점심을 먹고 잠을 자요. Okay, pause it while you're writing, and if you're done, click again. there is the answer. 점심을 먹고 잠을 자요. Great. Number 3. 4시에 만나요. 4시에 만나요. Okay, are you ready to say the answer? Okay, there. 4시에 만나요. Okay, number 4 is 2시부터 3시까지 친구를 기다려요. Oh, it's a long sentence. Okay, one more time. 2시부터 3시까지 친구를 기다려요. Okay, pause it, alright? Okay, now there is the right answer. 2시부터 3시까지 친구를 기다려요. Okay, very nice. And the next part is about practice, reading part. So the thing is, you're gonna read all of these sentences and you're gonna find the answer for 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Okay? So I want you to read it yourself and please fill the blanks and then type on the comments so that I can check it. Okay? All right. Pass. Next part is about 쓰기, which is writing. Wow. So I asked like this. 여러분들은 어떤 하루를 보내나요? 한번 써보세요. So it means try to write it down how you spend your daily life. So you can try to write your daily life or the day you spent today, okay? So you can look at the page 8 as an example. So I am so expected about your answers, like your writing. So if you're okay with, can you share it by the comment so that I can check it? Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. How was it? So you learned the other numbers today and the time and from A to B and then. Okay, I wish it was helpful and you enjoyed this video. Okay, I will see you on the next video. Then, bye!